هاي एवरीवन په نننۍ ویډیو کې زموږ ټارګټ د انګلیش هغه سوالات او جوابات دي کوم چې زموږ په ډیلی لایف کې ډیر زیات یوز کیږي او بیا دا ویډیو خاص کر د هغه ملګرو لپاره ده کوم چې انګلیش بالکل د سٹارټ نه زده کول غواړي نو ان شاء الله د دې ویډیو د کتلو نه بعد به تاسو د دې قابل شئ چې تاسو به د انګلیش بنیادی کنورسیشن په اسانه سره کولای شئ نو د ټایم د ضایع کېدو نه بغیر لیټس جمپ ټو دی ویډیو نو لومبه سنټنس ته موږ سره How are you? How are you? یعنی ته څنګه یې نو د دې جواب بشي I'm fine. I'm fine. زه ښه یم. Where do you live? Where do you live? ته چېرته اوسېږې I'm live in Canada. I'm live in Canada. زه په کینیډا کې اوسېږم. Where are you going? Where are you going? ته چېرته روان یې I'm going to school. I'm going to school. زه سکول ته روان یم. How is your family? ستا فیملی یا ستا خاندان څنګه دی Everything or everyone is good. Everything or everyone is good. ټول ښه دي How about your work? How about your work? ستا کار څنګه دی My work is going well. My work is going well. زما کار ښه روان دی یا زما کار ښه دی What are you doing these days? What are you doing these days? ته په نن سبا کې څه کوې I'm studying now. I'm studying now. زه اوس مطالعه یا سبق وایم What do you want to say? What do you want to say? ته څه ویل غواړې Nothing special. Nothing special. څه خاص نه What your father does. What your father does. ستا پلار څه کوي He is a teacher. He is a teacher. هغه یو استاد دی Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? ته د کوم ځای نه راغلې I'm coming from the market. I'm coming from the market. زه د بازار نه راغلم Do you know me? Do you know me? Where are you going? Where are you going? ته چېرته روان یې I'm going to the market. I'm going to the market. زه بازار ته روان یم Where were you? Where were you? ته چېرته وې I was in Australia. I was in Australia. زه په استرالیا کې وم How old are you? How old are you? ته د څو کالو یې I'm 20 years old. I'm 20 years old. زه د شلو کالو یم What's up these days? What's up these days? په نن سبا کې څه کوې یا په نن سبا کې څه کیږي Nothing special as usual. Nothing special as usual. د همیشه پرنګي څه خاص نه What do you like? What do you like? ستا څه خوښ دي I like to travel. I like to travel. زما سفر کول خوښیږي What is the problem? What is the problem? څه مسله ده There is no problem. There is no problem. څه مسله نشته Is everything all right? Is everything all right? آیا هر څه صحیح دي Everything is okay. Everything is okay. هر څه صحیح دي Do you need any help? Do you need any help? آیا تا ته د څه مدد ضرورت دی No thanks. No thanks. نه ډیره مننه How are you feeling now? How are you feeling now? ته اوس څنګه محسوسوې I'm feeling better. I'm feeling better. زه بهتر محسوسوم What would you like to take? Tea or coffee? What would you like to take? Tea or coffee? ته څه خوښوې؟ چای یا کافي؟ I want to tea. زه چای خوښوم یا چای غواړم. Are you married? Are you married? آیا ته واده کړی یې؟ Yes, I'm married. Yes, I'm married. او زه واده کړی یم. Why you came here? Why you came here? ته دلته ولې راغلی؟ I'm here to meet you. I'm here to meet you. زه دلته تا سره ملاوېدو ته راغلم. Who are you? Who are you? ته څوک یې؟ I'm عبید علي. I'm عبید علي. زه عبید علي یم. When will you come? When will you come? ته به کله راځې؟ I will come by tomorrow. I will come by tomorrow. زه به سبا پورې راشم. When will you go? When will you go? ته به کله ځې؟ I will go after 2 days. I will go after 2 days. زه به 2 ورځې بعد ځم. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? ته ولې جاړې؟ Because I'm upset. Because I'm upset. ځکه چې زه خفه یم. Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? دا بیگ د چا دی؟ This is Ali's bag. This is Ali's bag. دا د علي بیگ دی. When did you come? When did you come? ته کله راغلی؟ 10 minutes ago. 10 minutes ago. لس منټه مخکې. Do you know فهد? Do you know فهد? آیا ته فهد پیژنې؟ Yes, I do know. Yes, I do know. او زه یې پیژنم. What are you doing nowadays? What are you doing nowadays? ته نن سبا څه کوې؟ I'm learning English. I'm learning English. زه انګلیش زده کوم. How long have you been learning English? How long have you been learning English? ته کله نه انګلیش زده کوې؟ For 3 months. For 3 months. د 3 میاشتو نه. Why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me? ته ماته ولې ګورې؟ Because you are so pretty. Because you are so pretty. ځکه چې ته ډېر ښکلی یې. How many people were there at the meeting? How many people were there at the meeting? په میټینګ کې څومره کسان وو؟ About 50. About 50. خواوشا 50 کسان. Are you sure he will help us? Are you sure he will help us? آیا ستا یقین دی چې هغه به زموږ مدد وکړي؟ Absolutely sure. Absolutely sure. زما پوره یقین دی. I love these biscuits. I love these biscuits. زما دا بسکټ خوښ دي. Me too. Me too. زما هم. I have decided not to go there. I have decided not to go there. ما دا فیصله کړې ده چې زه به هلته نه ځم. Same here. Same here. ما هم. Shall we eat out tonight? Shall we eat out tonight? آیا نن ماسخوتن روټۍ بهر خورو؟ Yes, why not? Yes, why not? ولې نه؟ Where are you going? Where are you going? ته چېرته ځې؟ Nowhere. Nowhere. چېرته هم نه. Is he coming alone? Is he coming alone? آیا هغه یوازې راځي؟ I think so. I think so. داسې ښکاري. Could you lend me 100 rupees? Could you lend me 100 rupees? آیا ته به ماته 100 روپۍ قرض راکړې؟ Certainly. Certainly. ضرور. What is the meaning of this word? What is the meaning of this word? د دې لفظ څه معنی ده؟ I don't know. I don't know. ماته پتا نشتا. Give me your pen. Give me your pen. ماته ستا قلم راکړه. Here it is. Here it is. واخله.